Hey everybody, Jason Abbas with Delta Foremost Chemical here with another new product for you. This product will complement our 3340 ES asphalt patch that's used for potholes. This is for everything else, especially alligator asphalt, and it's called FM3341 Later Gator. What's great about this product is it's a permanent fix. It takes hardly any prep work. You don't have to dig anything out. Just sweep out and blow out the damaged area. Tape it off if you want it to look neat. And mix up your product and pour it in, and you got a permanent fix. I'm going to prep this area, and then we'll go into how to use the product. All right, we've taped off our area. We're going to do a large area here. If we can't do the whole thing, that's okay. We'll tape it off in the middle to make it nice and square. I want to show you what comes in this kit. It comes with a bag of topping aggregate. It comes with a part A and a part B liquid to make your polyurethane polymer. It comes with an accelerant to be used in cold weather below 55 degrees. It can be used in warmer temperatures if you're in a hurry and you need it to cure quickly. But other than that, it's just recommended for cold temperatures. And it comes with a polymer-coated rounded aggregate to give it better adhesion and better durability. Let's mix it up. First thing you're going to do is pour part A into the rounded aggregate. Next, we're going to mix up this slurry. All you need is a drill with an egg beater bit, which we'll have in stock for you, or if you have one, that's great, and a powerful drill. Okay, now we've stirred this aggregate for 1 minute, gotten all of the aggregate completely wet. We're going to pour part B in. Now we poured our part B in there. We're going to mix it thoroughly for another minute. Now we're going to pour the slurry into the damaged area and then trowel it out with some trowels that have been treated with slicks, so it'll be easy to clean up afterwards. Now we've got it troweled out, we're going to pour the topping sand on top. Now that we put the topping aggregate on, we're going to give it just a couple of minutes to cure up a little bit. Then we're going to take our blower and blow off all the excess aggregate to reveal a nice patch job. Okay, so there you have it. It took about 10 minutes. FM3341 Later Gator. Very easy to apply. It's permanent. It's a great product. If you give it a shot, you'll love it. Thank you.